Hi, I'm Jan Freiwald. I'm the Executive Director of the Reef Foundation. Reef trains scuba divers as citizen scientists to collect data on reefs, coral reefs worldwide and kelp forests along the west coast of North America. And we use that information to inform conservation and management of the marine environment. And today we're here with our Dive into Science program doing a training for new scuba divers.
Hi, and I'm Selena McMillan, and I am the Director of Education for Reef and the head of our project, Dive into Science. So that is training people from open water all the way through to citizen science and even scientific diving. And today we are here on the north coast of California in Fort Bragg, and we are working with 3 different tribes to train them when open water. The Kashaya, the Pomo.
Here I'm at another project where Reef works to restore the kelp forest of California's coast. We're working with commercial fishermen that harvest sea urchins so that we can bring the kelp forest back in places where it's been lost. Reef Dive into Science program as well as our restoration program are 2 examples of how we work with different communities to provide job training, work opportunities, and at the same time restore and conserve the marine environment along the California coast.